Welcome, today I am with XIAOMI 12X and I want to show you a couple of camera tricks. Okay, so the first we are going to start from the photo mode. So we are here and we can use zoom feature in a few different ways. The first one that's very obvious, we can switch between ultra-wide lens, normal lens and the telephoto lens, right? But when you click and hold, you will get more presets like 5x and also we will get 10x. We can also use the slider, and right now it looks very smooth, as you can see. You can also use this zoom feature by pinching screen with your two fingers, so take a look. But for me, honestly, the best way to use it is by sliding with your finger on the slider. Right now I'm gonna show you how you can use the shutter countdown. So when you want to get delay to your shutter, you can use these three presets. We got 3, 5 or 10 seconds, right? So for example, let's pick 3 seconds, click on the shutter. As you can see, photo was taken, right? But we got also another one, delay, not 3, 5 or 10, we got 2 seconds. You have to turn it off and then click on the volume up or down button. As you can see right now, you got 2-second presets. So that's hidden feature. You will probably not find it on any other tutorials. And right now let's stop right here and we can apply quick filters. As you can see, they change our color and the temperature on the photo. You can find a lot of different filters. If you want to take photo with this one or with this one, just pick and click on the shutter. The photo was taken. To turn them off, just go right here and pick the normal one. You can also change brightness level by tapping on the screen and moving the sun icon. So you can decrease or increase. You can also set up automatically by tapping on the screen, and this feature works almost in every mode, like in the video mode, in the portrait mode. As you can see, it's working. Okay, so let's go back for the photo mode, and right here we can tap in this place when we can, for example, go for the settings, and in the settings we can also find a few different interesting options, like for example we can change the volume button function to use as a zoom. We can also enable this option, tap to take photo, and we can change the press and hold shutter button. We can take the series of the photo. So let's go back and let's test all of these three features that we right now turn on. So the first one will be the volume buttons function. I just show you how to use zoom, but that's another way with the volume buttons. So you have to click and hold the volume up to zoom in and the volume down to zoom out. Okay, another option, it was tap to take photo. So when you have the situation when you cannot reach this shutter, you can just click on the screen once and the photo will be taken. And another option that we activate, it's the series of the photo. So you have to click, hold, and as you can see, our phone will take a lot of photos to 100. When you click right here to the gallery, you can find all of them right here. And here we can check the photos that we take. As you can see, it looks like a very short video. Okay, let's go back. Right now we can go for the more modes, where we can find very interesting option. It's called the 50 megapixel mode. So take a look. We can take photo, for example, maybe of this part. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, right now it's working. It was some kind of luck. So let's focus right here, take photo, then go back for the normal mode, and let's make comparison. So as you can see, this photo was taken with the normal mode, right? It looks not bad. We can find here a lot of details. We can focus, for example, on this one. Right now let's switch to the 50 megapixel mode. As you can see right here, we can find definitely more details, and we can also zoom in much closer. Okay, I think that's all. The last option that I want to show you, it will be the clone mode, but honestly it's not working good in this kind of the preview, because I have to, or maybe we can just take the photo, click like that, and that's the preview how this option works. So the cloning basically works with a people, and we can create 2 to 4 clones at one time. So we can clone a person 4 times and one photo. But of course we have to keep our phone steady, not moving the main frame. Okay, let's go forward. Maybe I can try to take it with this guy. Honestly, it's not going to work. Maybe I can try to copy my hand. Yeah, let's try. Let me just grab the phone like that. Okay, so maybe it's not the best example, but basically you know what is going on here. You can clone the people or part of your body, and then you can go forward to the post-processing, and as you can see, that's how it looks. You can also make it in the video mode or just make the freeze frame. Okay, so basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.